Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add sliding announcement bar in your Shopify store. This video is specific for Shape theme. If you have any other theme, then you should explore www.shopwebsitecodes.com. I have already added different codes for different themes. So here is the current situation of our store. You can see that we have a simple announcement bar and we are interested to make it slide from left to right or maybe from top to bottom. So you should go to your dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have already installed Shapes theme. You need to click on these three dots, and firstly you should duplicate this theme, because later on if you have any conflict or something, so you can roll it back to the original theme. Then after, you should click on these three dots again, click on edit code, and here you will be getting some files and folders. We are interested to create a new section. Click on sections, click on add a new section, and here the name of that section will be custom dash announcement dash bar, and then click on done. So once you are creating this section, then remove the complete code from inside and then paste the latest code which I have attached. So I have added the link below in the description. You need to download the file. Here is the file. I need to open this up and I need to completely copy this code and paste it here. Once you are pasting that code, then you need to save the changes. And then after, you need to link this specific file to your announcement. And here you have layout, click on that, click on theme.liquid, and here you should search announcement and it will automatically highlight the announcement bar. Here you can see that we have announcement dash bar. You only need to write here custom dash, because the file name is custom dash announcement dash bar, and now it become custom dash announcement dash bar. Then you need to click on save. Once the changes are saved, then after, you should actually enable it from the customization. Here you need to click on customize and you will be getting an option of announcement. Here you can see that it is automatically enabled, but in most of the cases you will see that this is not enabled. So on the once you are clicking on announcement bar, on the right hand side you will having a checkbox of show and hide. You can see that if I am unchecking that, it automatically hides. And we have autoplay. Autoplay means it will auto slide. For example, I am adding here 3 seconds. Let's save these changes, and for example I am refreshing here, and here you can see that we have this thing sliding from top to bottom, bottom to top, and it is auto slide as well. If you want, you can see that here it is auto sliding. After each 3 seconds it is sliding from bottom to top. If you want, you can make it horizontal sliding like this. So if you will save the changes, then it will slide from right to left. Here we go. Now you can see that it is sliding from right to left. So whatever you want, you can actually make it happen. Like click on vertical and it will slide from bottom to top. And you can also change the background color here. Here you can see that we have added a different color. If you want, you can make it black, but for now we are keeping this color. You can also change the text color. Currently we have white. If you want, you can make it black, or you can choose any other color you want, but for now we are interested to make it white. Then after, you have options to add messages. Here you can see that we have the message and free UK delivery on all orders. We have another message, easy returns. We have another message, it works. And if you want, you can add more messages, like add message, click on it and then write here something else. So automatically that will add here in the slide. And you can also link a specific product here. For example, we have this one. I'm going to write here free shipping, and I am linking something else here. For example, here we have any page like about. Let me save the changes. Let me override it. And if you are refreshing here, here we go. Now you can see here is free shipping, and if you are hovering over it, that is actually a link. So wherever you are interested to redirect this link, it will automatically redirect. Because in some cases, for example, we have this message easy return, or yeah, it works. You can also link any specific product here, or maybe collection or something else. So when customer is clicking on that, so automatically it will redirect to that specific page. And one more thing is, like, you can also add here emojis like smiley, shop, or something else. For example, I am adding here shopping emoji, and here we have this one. I am going to add it this. So here you can see that it works. Let me refresh this page again, and here we go. Now you can see that we have emoji. So that's how you can actually implement this specific thing in your store. If you wanted to remove these arrows, you can also do that. Here you can see that we have announcement bar, we have swipe next after, and this one, custom swiper button, swiper previous and next. If you want, you can actually write here inside a block, you need to add display none, N-O-N-E, and click on save. Once you are saving the changes, then it automatically hides. You can see that the arrows are hidden now, but only the things are sliding. Alright, so if you want to enable it again, undo the changes to block and then save the changes. So that's how it will work. So I think that you got the basic understanding of how you can implement this specific thing into your store. So if you have any problem or you have any issue, so you can directly contact me. I will help you out in that. If you have any different theme, firstly you should implement these codes. If still not working, then directly contact me. I will help you out in that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to visit on www.shopwebsitecourse.com. And if you are new on this channel, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.